So before you upload your next YouTube video, I need you to stop right now because I'm about to show you guys the exact method that has been helping me get more views and also to avoid reuse content strike. And most importantly, to grow my channel without worrying about monetization rejection. Yes. Now, if you've noticed recently, you will see that my recent videos have been getting more views. And trust me, a lot of small channels don't know this secret yet. So if you've been struggling to get the views you deserve, you want to stay tuned for this one at the end of this video, because I'm about to reveal to you the behind the scene method that I've been using before I upload my videos on YouTube. So if you're tired of getting stuck in the YouTube algorithm, you want massive views, and also you've already dreamt of monetization without facing reuse content penalties, guys, you are at the right place. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mutoni, and in today's video I'm going to dive into the strategies that has helped me to get more views and also boost my YouTube growth. So this method is something that you need to know before you upload your next video. Yes. Now, first thing first, many small YouTubers are using ChatGPT for script, description, and even tags. But if you are using it the wrong way, you might be risking a reuse content strike. Yes, you heard that right. So YouTube doesn't just look at your video's content. No, it also checks for originality in your description, your tags, and even your titles. So if you're copying descriptions and tags directly from a high-performing videos without adjusting them, trust me, you could end up getting flagged for reuse content. But do not worry, because I'm going to show you guys how to use ChatGPT safely and strategically so that it can boost your growth and doesn't get you into trouble. So here is exactly what I do whenever I finish editing my video and I'm ready to upload it. So step one is I upload the video to my YouTube, but then I keep it private at first. So these can actually allow me to optimize the video and test it before making it public. You heard me. So once the video is uploaded privately, the next step is very, very crucial. Okay, so I'm going to head over to my YouTube app, and I'm going to go straight to the search button and type in the topic I've just filmed about. Okay, so let's just say the video I just filmed now is how to get maybe 4,000 watch hours or 3,000 watch hours, right? So I'll go to the search button and I will search for that exact phrase. Okay, so you're going to see a list of videos with that same topic, and your goal is to find a high performing video that already have massive views. Ideally, anything over 20,000 views works for this strategy. Okay, so look for videos that have high engagement and views, and these videos are well optimized and we give you a good benchmark. Okay, so now here is where the magic starts to happen. So the next thing I'm going to do is I want to optimize my video description and tags based on what's already working for others. Okay, so what I do is very, very simple. Number one thing I do is to go ahead and find a video description of a high performing video like the ones you just found. Okay, so look at their tags first of all, then their description, and see what is working. Then copy the descriptions and the tags. But here is the catch. Don't just paste it directly. No. So the next thing you're going to do is to head over to your ChatGPT. Then that description that you just copied, go and paste it in the chat of the ChatGPT. Then go ahead and ask ChatGPT to optimize it for SEO and make it more ranking friendly. Okay, so ChatGPT will help to rearrange and rephrase the content so it's not a direct copy. Okay, it still carries the original message but in a unique format. All right, so that's just it. So trust me, this is a game changer, because when you use AI like ChatGPT to help with descriptions and SEO, you are tapping into optimization that can actually get your videos ranked higher in the YouTube search result. So here is why this method works. So when you copy a description from a high performing video, you are essentially borrowing from the best. And that content has already been optimized to get views. And the YouTube algorithm loves that very well. And then also, ChatGPT then will rework it so that it's not flagged as duplicate content. Okay, and these can actually help to keep your video safe from reused content strikes and also boost your chances of ranking higher. So, and another thing you should do is also adding SEO keywords to your description and tag is very, very essential. You know why? Because YouTube's algorithm relies on these to recommend your videos to people that is searching for related content. So once ChatGPT optimizes the descriptions and the tags, all you have to do is to copy and paste it back into your own YouTube video description. Okay, so sorry about that. Once the description is ready, it is time for the tags. Okay, so ChatGPT can actually help with high ranking tags and SEO keywords that you can use to ensure your video gets seen by more people. All right, you don't have to spend hours coming up with the perfect tags. Just tell ChatGPT to generate them for you. Now, here is a final tip. Okay, when you are optimizing your title, try to use a title that is very short, catchy, and curiosity driven. Okay, a title like "Get 4,000 watch hours fast with this method" works because it's immediately sparks curiosity and makes the viewers want to click to find out more. So once you've got your tags, your descriptions, and titles set up, it is time for the final step. Okay, so head over to your YouTube studio, click or go to that video, click it, like make it to be public, and then make your video to go live, or publish it whenever you are ready, or you can schedule. All right, so why does this method actually work? It works by optimizing your video description, tags, tied to using AI tools like this ChatGPT. Okay, and trust me, you are tapping into a proven strategy that maximizes your chances of getting discovered. And it is not about copying. All right, it is about optimizing and personalizing what's already working for top creators. And trust me, this strategy works very well. Trust me, I have seen results myself, and I'm here sharing it with you because I want you to succeed. All right, so recently my impression has been very, very high. All right, so this is how you avoid reuse content strikes and also get more views and grow your YouTube channel the right way. So if you're serious about YouTube monetization, this is the behind the scene strategy that I have that I'm going to that will help you to build a sustainable and profitable channel. So what are you waiting for, guys? You need to start implementing this step by step today and watch your YouTube journey soar higher. So if you found this video very helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more tips like this. So go ahead and drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts, or share your YouTube challenges with me. Trust me, I do love to hear how you are using your ChatGPT or what works for you. So guys, we're signing off from here. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, right? Bye for now.